Hey guys, Madpaw here, and I'm back with another lawnmower video. And this lawnmower is it says right here on the back, craftsman. It's a craftsman lawnmower, and I'm gonna start it, see how well it runs. But before I do that, uh, I'm gonna see if I can find a date on the lawnmower saying how old it is, and then I can tell you guys. Let's see. It's not over here. And, nope. Here we go. It says, there's a tag right here that says, important engine information. It says, this engine meets 1955 to 1990. Wait, hang on. I'm gonna re-say that, because, just in case I messed up. Because, the tag's a little faded, so it's kind of hard to see the numbers. So, give me a minute. Alright, it says 1995 through 1998. That's crazy. This lawnmower is literally from 1995. So, okay. I don't know how old that really is, but I'll do that math at the end of the video. So, but I'm also gonna tell y'all that this lawnmower, since it's so old, it doesn't have a pedal where you just increase the speed. It actually has a stick. Like, you know how some vehicles have that gear shift where you shift into different gears to go faster? Well, that's basically what's going on with this lawnmower. It's got a stick that shifts into the different speeds. Well, me and my dad, we had fixed the carburetor on it because it was all busted, and we had to put a new grass cutting shaft on it because the one it had was busted. And it says right there on that tag, 42. The 42, I don't know what it's for, but it says 6-speed. And if y'all wondering what that noise was in the background, it was just the air conditioner in my house turning on. Anyways, I'm gonna get on this lawnmower, see if it'll start, and then I'll do the math on how old it is. Oh, and guys, y'all know how like the newest lawnmowers, I have that thing you just pull up to turn the blades on. This lawnmower doesn't have that. It has like a stick that you push up for the blades. Anyways, see if it'll run. Just oh, I forgot to check if it's got any gas. Give me a minute. It's got plenty of gas in it to start. So, I'm going to start it, see how well it runs. Okay, that was a little weird. as you guys saw that, this lawnmower works pretty well for how old it is. And all me and my dad had to really do was give it a new grass cutting shaft and new gas hoses, a new filter, fix up the carburetor, clean out the little filter thing right here, wash out the gas tank, and now it runs like it was made yesterday. But the one thing that sucks about the shifter on this is that it's a little stuck. Like, it works, I just think it needs some oil to loosen it up. Because when this thing is running and you're going like forward, like 1 through 6 speed, like either 1 speed or 6 speed, it don't really matter what speed, but sometimes it'll get stuck where you gotta pull on the stick real hard just to change gear. And this lawnmower does not have like, it doesn't have that thing that new lawnmowers have that allows you to easily raise the blades up. It has like a stick thing where you push the button and then raise it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it works. And I'm gonna bring y'all up here and show y'all what the dash and stuff looks like. So yeah, and these are not the tires for the lawnmower. Me and my dad actually had gotten this lawnmower set up to drive in the woods. That's why it's got these tires. And I don't know if new lawnmowers have this, but there's a little belt thing right here that allows you to turn, like this little thing right here that I'm moving. That's what, like, that's how you change your speed. And I think that's kind of weird, but it also seems kind of cool since it's an old lawnmower. And anyways, I'm gonna get y'all up here with me. Okay, so here's the stick that you can do that with. Here's the lever thing that you got use to pull the blades up. Watch. Oh, I'll show you on this side. And this right here, y'all would think is the speed, but since I showed y'all this right here, like, this is the speed, but this right here that people usually think is the speed is actually just a choke. And right here, I'm gonna turn the cameras that way so y'all can see it better. It's a diameter. It says DC amperes, and it actually works. Right here, I'll show y'all. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna set y'all down. Just face down real quick. As y'all can see that, the diameter works. I'm gonna shut this thing down now. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to put my finger in the way. And also, this lawnmower doesn't really have a normal park like the newer ones do. You have to push this thing right here down, and then move this stick right here up, and then let go of the brake you push down, so it stays in park. Alright. Anyways, I don't really got nothing else to show y'all. But, yeah, I said I would, do the math on the date. But, how about, I'll do the math on the date after this video's over. But, how about y'all tell me how old this is in the comments? And give me some ideas on what you think me and my dad should, like, do with this other than use it to mow the grass of our hunting spots. So, yeah. Oh yeah. Like and subscribe to my channel. And, if this video gets, 200 likes, no. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will, do another video on this lawnmower. But, just, yeah. Leave comments on ideas y'all might have. And leave a comment on how old you think this lawnmower is. Because it says the engine was made 1995 through 1998. I guess that's how long the model of this engine lasted. So, if y'all want to, just add up these two. Hang on. Give me a minute. I'm trying to get it where y'all can see it. Okay. The very top that says this engine meets 1995 through hang on. The camera's blurry. 98. 1995 to 1998. Where it says 1995 to 1998, just tell me how long from those two dates to this year of how old this lawnmower is. And, like I said, like and subscribe to my channel. Leave 1,000 likes for another video on this lawnmower. Comment for some ideas. And, see ya.